It's so legendary, y'all. It's called the Nero Sarkozy Sion. Kill beats. Let's make history, man. Black Leo, stand up. Now or never. And we so legendary, we make the rest of Perry. For sure. It's legendary. It's crazy, man. And we so legendary. It's like this, man. And we so legendary, we make the rest of Perry. We getting money, touching paper like the secretary. But then no air, fools so sick headed, then we drop the flow. How the Nero Sarkozy, they fall low. Anytime this boss is at the show, Africa get for no me. We so legendary, we make the rest of Perry. We getting money, touching paper like the secretary. But then no air, fools so sick headed, then we drop the flow. How the Nero Sarkozy, I got it, man. They fall low. Anytime free time so I cry, stand up. Africa get for no me. Which rapper gifted? Which rapper lift them? Which rapper don't survive all of the beef them? Now pure talent won't forget what they lift them. Finish all the payaka, no sympathy diss them. The more people sick, the more people suffer. Man and vex cause I say I owe nobody but me daughter. What you know about get bread with no money for the butter? Pick up a camera, we pay it like you fall under the gutter. Rise to the top, ready for the slaughter. You right go turn to wrong, if you family then a popper. If man and biggie whopper, you not for handle them proper. Take the beef to any level, make them self go the talker. I'm a warrior, lunge bubba. Play ball na street, the bob is so knocker. Bow to me elders, better respect the boko. Nets come that same boko, ki talk boko. Man and call me phone, they say car you don't pop up. Forget say I get beef with one weekend bubba. Shout out to me full of fans, niggas we understand. Man they we no tribalistic, respect out and G shit. Sissy Molina lose police can never see shit. Which gonna 5 grand if you sleep we go big. We so legendary, we make the rest of Perry.
Hello, my fellow Sierra Leonean. Hello, people of this noble country where we all call Sierra Leone. A really disheartening na this nation for see people who put in position of trust. People there where we dance with, we sweat with, people where they give you so much motivation and give you so much hope. Now then turn up for be the looters of the state. Now then turn up for be people them wey be say that they thief the money them, they then turn up for be a bunch of gangsters the way they don't come, a bunch of criminals then where they don't come for can scatter and kapu and even try for spoil the image of this country. It really disheartening for see a bunch of thieves then come together say they want rule a country. It really disheartening for see woman from another country, they kind of thief una money, they go to another country. It really disheartening. Now, I make we they call upon Sierra Leoneans, woman them, make them stand up for una rights, Sierra Leone, because other countries then they take this. Today I be make me I forget, I make a mistake where I say Sierra Nyama. It was Finda Nyama Kroma when in one for be a first lady in other man country. They're not green. The people then rise up nationwide. They say that they not go be in their country. Now some of the things and this way the people then see where them prevent. Look now, we country don't turn dirty box. Now for can't take and go make other man country. We country the first lady not all obligation or not all any sincerity to we country. We country na a second class country to one. So now for can't thief and go. And would that include the party way good pananda na the SLPP. And they always good for thief this country and go make outside. We take history from Pakaba, we take money and go make Guinea. We take history from other boku other SLPP people them where they don't rule this country. They thief money and go to overseas, go bank a day, then get foreign accounts them other side them. You see, so now SLPP na them good for no get the love of this country. If we check history memorial back, SLPP na the worst kind of political party where we get. although good people then they among them, but now them be the worst people then for produce leader for Sierra Leone. Now the worst people then for produce leaders them for Sierra Leone because now selfish, self-ambitious, self-centered, bunch of racketeers then, bunch of tiffy jankoluko, bunch of state looters them, now then they produce so saloon. A very disheartening, like a day we don't cry for pussy all night, don't clean the axis, say what to make it red. But all the cry what we cry for SLPP. Now so SLPP don't put paper water na we eye. Now so SLPP don't the thief this country resources. The national coffer where them for shape that market to my under. That woman where they sell pellet leaf. That man where they shoot people, that teacher, that police, that soldier, that civil society. How if I see say Sheba where all man get. Now they no more the bunch of thieves then. Now they no more they on jail. Now then with them family they no more they on jail. Just imagine fellow Sierra Leonean there. When I love you watch. If then they pay a politician 100, 200 million. Then they pay a politician $1,000. I said they pay a politician $10,000. Then they pay a politician. Then they pay them that kind of money then you where be say you na teacher, we teach that politician. Then they pay you 1 million or 900,000. You when a soldier where they provide security for the country, then they pay you 1 million or 900,000. You where be say in a police, then they pay you small money. Where it be say and they will pay 10 of the soldier there. And they pay 100 of the soldier there. They pay 200 people there of the soldier there. Where one politician they get. Where una all they die and lavish. Then they make possibly come on a soldier or come on a police work, where come on a teacher or do civil service or stay and they will build a kitchen because the politicians they don't loot all the money. Then put on self-center whether you join them or you perish. That's it. They forget saying that we want one block, then the taxation, then at the country. The 50-50 loans they when they get on, now in they make them they able to run the country. And now in they go na the bank of Salon where they don't go make a bunch of fracatier thief man them. They don't open your account then they now forgo the loot as the thing they for them foreign money cow, then the thief and can go. Then they place them now for thief and go bank, I'm sorry for more especially the eastern region. The kind way where they contribute into the economy, the kind way they contribute into the running of the state. Then them politicians they go to one development day, now for thief the money there, now for eat the money there. The western place, the north, all the contribution then the taxpayer money, where now they make, they all them money they eat them. Then they do nothing for una. Then they do nothing for the people them. The people then they die. Then they lavish. Then they walk out empty bone, empty carcass. Then the people then the politician there. Now then they make a tell. Then they tell we say, look then full man there. Then make where people can ready. Then they call people them grassroots. Because what people call it grassroots here accept. Now it treat it like grass. They mass you. Because after you don't done with you, you contract done, you don't get nothing for do with you. And people are no more grassroots. People where they follow politicians, them they are future leaders, future politicians. And I call upon all the future politicians, them now this country, future leaders, them make we all team up and say no to a racketeer government, a government where can activity kapu. They don't monopolize, they don't centralize everything in the country. A government where be say then come, they don't can thief pass all the government then. They don't can the old salary pass all the president the way they do exist. The old salary pass all the people them the state parastate or the way them done dey. Parastate or the way them done dey. This a bunch of thieves them way them dey. From where they make them go to overseas, where they now for go and pull propaganda message then they elect them and then they will see so. All they know now for thief this country, loot this country, reap wealth, and they left we for lavish and die. Most of them, this country go bad and go good, you no get nothing for do with them. Because after this power, then they go sit overseas, full there with them family there. They you, trade, where them they give 50,000 for begin ala for them, for begin make noise on social media, cause people then, make this. You, now your life go left miserable. They pay us 200 million, they can give 50,000 for begin cause people there. For begin talk, people then they help the country for prove them for we see. Reality then they pull them from the bank of Salwa, then they go and take money then another account. They take money then this go come up beyond say to that make fry. So una give me 200 una give me $1,000. This go make today say me picking get birthday, una give me $2,000 yonder. This go make today say I want change make a friend car, una give me about $5,000 yonder. This go say today oh Jesus. This na the country this a Rakatia government with bunch of criminals them, bunch of PhD in criminology and theology. They don't come together for can rule this country. They tell we say the more you learn book, the more you get sense. But this then the more they learn book, the more they get high criminal in PhD in criminology. They miss it and smart. They miss it and smart too. But they don't know say now they don't the system is well set. You do and be an old self, then they see you. Now make we need a politician where gets a rugged mentality, a politician where ready for can take over this country. And they talk to me people them. Say politics, not to religion. Or party, not to religion. It not mean say if you not support Madabi, you not to SLPP in a lie. It not mean say if you not support the thief where them people then the thief right now, you not to SLPP in a lie. You not SLPP, but you not positive SLPP. Not to all man be support Madabi for be president. A lot of decent SLPP the way me sabi, you not support this government, this president here for be president. It come in mass then, it come in waka up and the all. And make it silence the pardon. Well, I tell you, one of the things that we kill Madabi from party level because he not get advisor. All the people that were there for be potential advisor there, and mass them all before in the win. In no way, in no word, nobody not be there where they talk to her, where the advisor, where they talk, where they make the no standard not be there and kill all the standard then at the party. Now the same mentality, now the same rugged and cooked and self-centered way. The Depa rule this country. Miss Salon people, una love we think Salon. Love we think say if Salon better and better for we all, and if it poil, and poil for we all. If it's Salon, think tranga and tranga for we all, and then make we for tinap, Now the southeastern of them, the Kailan. People then don't say SLPP no go see that angry boku ado boku the money boku because the expectation they don't water down with expectation they don't kill with hope and aspiration. See, we no get no other nation pass Sierra Leone. Why we not forgot to kill we not forgot to drain we hope them. We don't butcher people there, we don't kill people there on constitutional, we don't put people there from parliament on constitutional, they not do. Now the butcher we economy and constitutionally. This now na picking Basharaka. This is how the Buddha shattered and scattered our economy. This is how then they make job them for them girlfriend, count them relative, them go pull them in a village for can sit down and tap we. This is the SLPP. What did they do for people them? Nothing. Kailon Kenema Kono and also not tangible development where they